In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile picture on Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect so your profile looks the way you want it to across your workspace. First, look to the top left corner of Notion and click on your workspace name. This is the label that shows which workspace you're currently in. It's right beside the sidebar and usually includes a small drop-down arrow. If you use more than one workspace, make sure you're in the one you want to update so your change appears in the right place. From the menu that opens, click on Settings. Depending on your version of Notion, this may appear as Settings or Settings and Members, and that's perfectly fine. The goal here is simply to open the Settings panel so you can access your account details. Inside Settings, click on your account name. This takes you to your personal account area where you can manage things like your display information and preferences. You're in the right spot when you see your profile details, including your current photo or a placeholder if you haven't set one yet. Next, click directly on your photo to upload a new one. If you don't have a photo yet, you'll see an initial or a generic icon in that spot. Clicking it will open your device's file picker so you can choose an image to use. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. For the cleanest look, a clear, well-lit headshot is ideal, and a square or centered image usually fits nicely. Now just upload your photo and let Notion process it. You'll see the change take effect shortly after the upload finishes. If your image looks off, you can repeat the same steps and select a different picture until you're happy with the result. Once your photo is updated, it will appear wherever your profile is shown in Notion, and the change will carry over to any devices where you use your account. That's all there is to it. To recap, you click your workspace name in the top left, open Settings, select your account name, click your photo, and upload a new image. Keeping your profile picture up to date helps teammates recognize you quickly and gives your workspace a more personal touch. If you ever need to switch it again, just follow the same simple flow. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your Notion profile picture with confidence.